Yo, what's up guys, I'm back in another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to swap from Ethereum into DAI. First of all, you have to get the address from CoinMarketCap, like I'm doing right now. So basically, you come to coinmarketcap.com, you come right here, and you write DAI, like that. And there you have it. You come here, there's a bunch of information about the token. All you need is the contract address that you will find it right over here. Please guys, make sure that you are on CoinMarketCap because you might get scammed. So be sure and be safe. Then you come here, you come and copy click on this icon, copy the address, and when it shows up that it's copied, you're done with this website. Second step is Uniswap. You come to Uniswap and you click on Lash App. You connect your wallet. As you can see guys, they have like a bunch of multiples wallets. You have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic, and Portis. In our case, we are using MetaMask, and for those who doesn't have it, you can download it at metamask.io in whatever browser that you are using. And then you come back here, make sure that your wallet is connected and it is on Ethereum mainnet. Okay, and then you have to add the token to your wallet. You come here, you import token, custom token, and pass the token right here. As you can see, it's all good. You can add the token right now, import token, and here it is. You can see it now on your wallet. And then you go to Uniswap, click on select tokens, click here, import the token, import, and there you go. Now you can swap from Ethereum into DAI, or the reverse, you can swap from DAI into Ethereum. So that was the tutorial for today guys. If you like it, please leave a like and comment and subscribe for more tutorials. See you.